Hello my dear students. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 1.5. The question is, how can you determine the atomic mass of an unknown metal if you know the density and the dimension of its unit cell? Explain. तो जो क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछा है उसमें कोई अननोन मेटल है जिसकी डेंसिटी एंड इट्स एज लेंथ हमको नोन है और हमें इसका एटॉमिक मास बताना है एंड हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट, इसे एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो लेट अस राइट द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. आंसर टू एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 1.5. लेट अस assume the density of unknown metal is d and its S length is small a. If Z is the number of atoms present in its unit cell, then mass of one unit cell. Now mass of one unit cell, that will be Z into M, Z multiplied by M, where M is mass of one atom. Of unknown metal. Now we know the mass of unit cell, that is Z into M. Now its volume of unit cell so we are considering it to be a cube, so we are taking the volume as a cube, and if the dimensions are different, that is the three edge lengths are different, then the volume will be simply the product of three edge lengths. Now volume of unit cell is a cube. Now the density of unit cell, density is mass divided by volume. So density of unit cell is mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is Z into m divided by volume of unit cell is A cube. Now we know these two things and we have to find this m. So from here we will get m equal to d into A cube upon Z. And its molar mass that is small m into Na. Na is Avogadro number, so this capital M will come as d into A cube into Na divided by Z. Here we can write Na Avogadro number. Avogadro's number. So this will be the molar mass of unknown metal, and this is how we will find the molar mass.